The Magical Journey of Max and the Rainbow Bridge by Feed the Froggy.
Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by mountains and rivers, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Max. Max loved to explore the world around him, always eager to discover new adventures. One bright and sunny morning, Max decided to venture further than he ever had before. He packed a small bag with his favourite snacks, a water bottle, and his trusty flashlight. As he wandered through the forest, he stumbled upon a hidden path that he had never seen before. Intrigued, Max decided to follow it. The path led him to a beautiful clearing filled with colourful flowers and the sweet scent of blooming jasmine. In the centre of the clearing stood a magnificent rainbow bridge, shimmering with every colour imaginable. Max's eyes widened with wonder as he approached the bridge. As he stepped onto the rainbow bridge, Max felt a warm, magical sensation wash over him. The bridge began to glow brighter, and in an instant, Max found himself transported to a land of magic and wonder. In this enchanted land, the sky was filled with floating islands, and the air was alive with the sound of laughter and music. Max was greeted by a friendly unicorn named Stella, who had a flowing mane of iridescent colours. "Welcome, Max," Stella said with a smile. "I have been waiting for you. There's a special adventure ahead and we need your help." Max nodded eagerly. "What do I need to do?" Stella led Max to a village where the magical creatures lived. The village was in trouble because the rainbow fountain, the source of all magic in the land, had stopped flowing. Without it, the magic was fading. "The rainbow fountain can only be restored by a pure heart," Stella explained. "You must find the 4 magical gems scattered across the land and place them in the fountain." Determined to help, Max set off on his quest. Stella gave him a shimmering pouch to carry the gems. His first stop was the crystal caverns, where he found the blue sapphire guarded by friendly crystal golems. They were happy to help when they saw Max's kind heart. Next, he travelled to the emerald forest, where the green emerald was hidden among the trees. With the help of wise old owls, Max found the gem and continued his journey. In the lava mountains, Max faced the challenge of retrieving the red ruby. The fire sprites living there tested his bravery, but Max's courage won them over, and they gave him the gem. Finally, Max reached the Cloud Kingdom, where the yellow topaz was kept. The cloud fairies admired Max's determination and gifted him the final gem. With all 4 gems in hand, Max returned to the village. Stella led him to the rainbow fountain, which was surrounded by all the magical creatures he had met on his journey. Max carefully placed each gem into the fountain, and as he did, a brilliant light filled the air. The fountain roared to life, and magic flowed once more through the land. The villagers cheered, and Stella bowed her head in gratitude. "Thank you, Max. You've saved our home and restored the magic." Max beamed with happiness. "I'm glad I could help." Stella guided Max back to the rainbow bridge. "It's time for you to go home, but remember, you're always welcome here." As Max stepped back onto the rainbow bridge, he felt the warm magic again. In a flash, he was back in the clearing, the rainbow bridge shimmering in the distance. Max knew he would never forget his magical adventure. With a heart full of joy and wonder, Max returned home, excited to share his story and always ready for the next adventure.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hit that subscribe button for more fun videos. Don't forget to ring the bell. See you next time.